Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. First of all, you need to open the Messages app. Now select one of your chats and click on this little icon with a photo and the camera at the bottom left corner. Now you can click on all of your photos right away or select Gallery section instead. Now pick your photos from here. When you finished, click on Add at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my photos were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!